Hello, it's us, the Two Bubbly Broads, and today we're gonna try the different nuggets, right, Vicky?
Yes, we're gonna try the nuggets of all the places that we were able to get to today. We found Wendy's, Burger King, McDonald's, the Chick-fil-A regular, and Chick-fil-A naked.
And I think that's the only places that have nuggets, because all the other fast food restaurants, they have tenders, they have strips. We wanted to try the chicken nuggets. So, cheers!
Cheers.
To us getting fatter. It's good for the body. It's good for the insides.
Not really clogging our valves and stuff here. High cholesterol, all this meat.
Okay, right.
Maybe not
Okay.
chicken, right?
Oh, and these are the spicy ones. They just came out again. The spicy Wendy's. I never tried the spicy.
I used to have them all the time.
You tried the spicy
You're
already?
gonna try the sauce with them?
You know what?
I used to eat these all the time, the spicy chicken.
I think Wendy's is the one that has the best barbecue. I think Wendy's has the best barbecue sauce. Like, I would eat any nuggets from any other places, but I'd rather have the. There you go for it.
I usually eat the spicy nuggets with the
Smells
ranch
good.
sauce.
Smells good. So we're gonna try the Wendy's spicy chicken nuggets. This is my first time having these. I always get the original.
Cheers. Cheers. Cheers, trying to get cold already. I'm good.
They're good. They're cold, but they're good.
We got
Oh,
it.
these are good.
We have 4 more to try. I don't want to.
Alright.
Good. I'm gonna mix it up. I'll try from this side now. We got the naked nuggets and some. What is this? Zesty buffalo sauce.
Oh, this is spicy. They changed it.
I don't think it's that spicy. It's nugget.
Oh,
I can't open this.
duh.
It's the spicy nugget that's spicy, Daisy.
Okay, well,
Poke a hole.
my nails. When you have long nails, you can't do simple shit like this. And this is long for me. Some girls get them long, like I don't even know how they like their ass. I can open that. I'm not gonna use that anyways.
You have to try the zesty buffalo.
They don't look good.
You can't even see it. You don't have to poke my nail in
They
it.
don't look good. It's like a pale looking color.
Hopefully it doesn't. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. Look at that. Ooh, it's not pale. It's orange, like buffalo. That's not the right nugget. It's a very little naked nugget. Naked nugget. Ooh, naked nugget. Dip it.
It really is naked though. Oh, it smells good. It's like not naked. It's like grilled nugget.
Good. No. I'm guessing not, but she shoved the other piece back in her mouth, so maybe it was.
No, not because of this, because of that. This is good actually. This is kind of garlicky though, isn't it?
You can taste the grilled taste.
This has like a lot of seasoning. I'm gonna use it with the Wendy's.
Alright, you pick one.
It's real salty. Okay, Burger King. Those are actually good. I gotta get me some of those, like on a regular day.
That's good because it's not deep fried, it's grilled.
They put a lot of,
they look a lot like the Wendy's. They got like the same little artificial shape. Almost same size. Burger King is a little bit bigger.
All right, let's try it.
They gave us ketchup with that.
They give us ketchup?
Yes.
Burger King has barbecue sauce.
Oh, they gave us ketchup. So get some ketchup.
I don't want ketchup with my nugget.
Ooh, look at that ketchup.
I'm
I'm gonna put this one back on here really quick.
I'm not using that. I'm using this barbecue sauce.
But then how you gotta taste the flavor? It tastes like the paper. No?
I don't like the nuggets. I never get them, and that's why I don't like them. They're kind of plain. They're not good. I need to get me some of those.
Those are good. The Wendy's spicy is good because it's nice and spicy.
At Chick-fil-A, I always get the fried nuggets, but I'm gonna start getting and I'm gonna be like, can I get the naked? The naked one? They're called naked or they're called grilled?
Grilled.
Camera woman? They're grilled or they're naked?
I'm not sure. All right, let's try the
Camera
regular.
lady's not sure.
Oh look, they're so little and weird looking.
And is it the same sauce?
No. This is a Chick-fil-A sauce. I heard it's supposed to be some good sauce. Never had it.
That's how they look.
They look different sizes. Like that was the end of the barrel and they just threw it in.
I've had these. These are
Have
good.
you? I never had them before.
I've ordered these. But
To dip or not?
they
to dip?
have barbecue sauce too at Chick-fil-A. Ooh, that
This
don't-
is supposed to be like a sauce everyone
Ooh.
likes.
I'm not eating it with that sauce.
You have to try the sauce, Daisy. Come on, open your horizons.
Open what? What you said open? I guess. I'll try everything once.
You're not a big fan of the sauce.
Huh?
The sauce ain't that good.
Oh, it says that.
To
To
dip
dip?
or not to dip? That's what I just said.
Oh, it says it on there. To dip or not, and not to dip to in that.
Do you think that just came out of my head?
I thought you just said it.
It tastes pretty good though without the sauce.
That sauce is not good. I'm gonna dip it in the Wendy's barbecue. Wendy's
They're
barbecue
really
is the
salty.
best barbecue.
They're a little salty, but they're good. I love salt. They're a little bit salty for me.
Well,
The Chick-fil-A.
the sauce.
No, the nugget.
I don't think so. And then
Now we have to cleanse our palate and go to good old fashioned McDonald's. Mickey D's.
everybody likes making these chicken nuggets.
It depends. I'm in mood.
We were gonna do the 100 pieces chicken
Oh,
nuggets
God,
to see
no.
how many we could eat. But she
I
chickened
told
out.
her I'm like at 6 and I'm done.
She chickened
Just
out.
because I'm big doesn't mean I like to eat them.
I think I could eat a good. I think I could eat a good 30 pieces.
Do you really? I think I can eat 6 with maybe 10 fries and I'll be like, I can't breathe. Where's my stretchy pants?
I think so. I think we could eat a whole 100 pieces just throughout the day.
Yeah, it's crazy.
Drinking and eating, drinking and eating.
Wait, 100 pieces throughout the day? Yeah, throughout
Like
the day.
50 you, 50 me. I think we could do it.
But I'm not in one sitting.
No, not in one sitting, but okay. And we gotta try the barbecue. Their barbecue is actually kind of good.
It's a tangy barbecue.
Everybody knows how they're, and of course you could always see fries in the McDonald's chicken nuggets.
Look at, is it the same? It's like pretty much the same color. Well, it's a little bit darker than.
Than the Wendy's.
Oh. Cheers.
To the original Mickey D's, I think everybody's
The
had.
Mickey D's that we all grew up with. Because we didn't have, well,
Everybody's had.
when we were little, we were never taken to Burger King or Wendy's. It was always McDonald's.
And there was never Chick-fil-A till
Chick-fil-A.
now. So, till like what, last year?
Here in Chicago. My number one would be the spicy. Then I go with the naked. Then I would go with these. Then McDonald's. Sorry, Burger King. Even Wendy's got you beat, even though you got the same shape and everything.
My favorite is the naked Chick-fil-A. Ooh, those are good. And then I would pick the spicy Wendy's chicken nuggets. Then I would pick the McDonald's, then the original. Because today, I don't know, I wasn't feeling those. I would do McDonald's, then these, and then unfortunately, I won't even do these. I won't do them again. They're not good.
What do you do?
Huh? What am I do?
I said, what did you do them?
Oh, I
Never mind, forget it.
I never did them. But anyways, okay.
My jokes ain't funny if I have to explain them.
It wasn't funny. Anyways, but okay, so if you guys are feeling chicken nuggets, like one day you're just at home and say, "Oh, I want some chicken nuggets," go to Jewel Oscar and buy you some frozen ones. Put a little oil on the pan and fry them. Those are good.
Don't do that. Don't do that. The
Those are
Jewel
good.
Oscar brand too. They need a brand. Purdue or
Jewel Oscar chicken nuggets. You put it in the oven with a little bit of oil. Me and my baby like them. They're good.
Joel Osco's Signature Select brand.
oh.
Yeah, like chicken.
Okay,
Any kind
cameraman,
of chicken
whatever.
nuggets frozen.
Call me
So
out.
that's all these are frozen chicken nuggets, and then they cook them. That's all it is. But the winner is those naked ones. I really like those.
Well, my number one is the Wendy's spicy, and then the naked, and then these, and then these, and then the Burger King. We'll get the kids. Hey, kid, you want some Burger King chicken nuggets?
They'll all come at once. Burger King chicken nuggets. Burger King chicken nuggets. Oh, and they all grab what
But
they
thanks,
wanted.
guys, for watching. I hope you subscribe. Hope you enjoyed our show.
Get some of these. Look at, pass me these.
Get those little naked nuggets. All right, subscribe.
Okay, bye you guys.
Bye.
Thank you. Cheers.